Alright, here we have Superman, and we have surgically implanted an explosive device into his chest, seeing as how our last effort to blow him up didn't go so well, and hopefully this time it'll go better.
Yeah. Yeah.
Back it up. Holy shit. Wow.
To fear Superman is not so super.
Look at his game.
That was so badass.
Oh yeah.
I think that would have blown up his hand.
Alright, this is what left we could find of him. Pretty graphic. He just got annihilated. Pieces went completely over this bush and about 50 feet back that way. And the cape got messed up. Just completely blown off his neck. Oh, that was good times. We weren't satisfied with just the top half of his body, so we made him a little present there, and finish him off. The fence stopped it. Well, there's a smoking piece.
Well, yeah, I think it worked.
The leg. The smoking crater. Oh, dude, it took his leg in half. There's a boot. There's a piece. We're missing half a leg still.